Hello, what's up everybody? Today I have this product for you. I'm unboxing this box. As you can already see on the title, this box came like this. So let's see what we have inside. This is very useful for the people. This is a thank you card. It's a pretty amazing vlogging kit that you can buy for a very affordable price. I'm gonna include the buying purchasing link in my description so you can check it out. So this is pretty affordable for people whoever want to do a vlog, whoever want to start a vlog with the affordable the kit. Okay, and you can use your cell phone, you can use your whatever cameras are available with you, so you can use that. So the first thing we have over here is the video blog. Should be vlog, and it says blog mic lab directional microphone for phone and camera devices. As you can see the picture here, comes with the phone cable and the camera cable, and win the ball, stands, what else? Phone camera, acoustic recognition, automatic noise reduction. Okay, we're gonna open that in a few moments. Let's check another thing inside the box. So we got W49 LED video light. So it does include video light. So there's like 49 pieces of LED, the number LED light in there. The max output is 5.5 watt. Beam angle is 60 degree. LED longevity 550,000 hours. So luminance is 800 lumen, and color temperature is 6000 K. 30. Probably it can go warm and daylight. Pretty cool. It's very small and portable. Alright, that's another one. Okay, another thing we have here is tripod mount adapter for phone. So definitely this is adapter for your phone. We're gonna test that out in a bit. Now let's check other product here. And the last one we got here, tripod, including the head, the ball head, right? Whatever you wanna call it. And there's one more connectors. It's like shoe mount. Yeah, probably the shoe mount is for your one for microphone and one for the light. So we're gonna test that out in a bit. We're gonna open all the package and we will see how it will work. Okay, this is a tripod. All right, so I'm gonna start with the tripod mount adapter for phone. Let's open what we have inside over here. So this is a tripod adapter for phone. So you can see that you can unscrew that to change your landscape or portrait mode, and there is a screw for the regular tripod. Yeah, and over here as well. If you really don't want to use this, you can simply use this one only. So I have a phone over here. Let's see if I can fit that phone. Just push this upward over here. Oh, okay. This is a cool design, I guess. See that? The both side comes like this. Alright, so just put your phone over there, and there's a foam over here so that you're not gonna hurt your phone, and do it accordingly. So if in any case you want to change your phone to portrait mode, so what I would recommend is always try to put your phone while in a portrait mode, so that you're not gonna later you might have to fix it. Right, so first, yeah, go like this and make sure it fits while it's in portrait, right, and then make it landscape mode. All right, so this is the phone mount adapter for the tripod here. I'm gonna test that out in a bit. Let's check the light, how small the light is. There's nothing inside except the paperwork. So the light looks like this. Alright, it's pretty small, right? And there's a shoe mount. I guess you can connect over here, shoe mount on the both the direction, even on the top. Isn't that cool? And there's a power button. Power. Probably this will change your the color temperature of the light. And the only sad part is it goes with AA batteries. I wish it had a rechargeable battery, but anyway, that's fine. It might be handy if you're going outside, traveling outside, but definitely you don't have a charger available to charge, then you can keep battery in your pocket and carry around with it, right? Alright, this is a light. Basically, there's also a shoe mount over here, so you can do like that. The main it's a little tighter, but that's fine. So basically what the setup looks like is you can put your light over here and you can put your microphone over here, so that more stuff can fit in the phone setup, right? Okay, let me try, or let me check. This is a tripod, this is a ball head, this is an extra shoe mount. Alright, let's open the microphone. Alright. Alright, this is the microphone. You can see that, phone and camera, 3.5mm, TRS and TRRS. So that's the microphone. Comes with the muff, the windscreen muff. One is this, and one is the cat muff, the furry cat, right? So good. It feels good though. Yeah. And another thing, it has a pouch. Little pouch comes with the cable inside. So you can see this. So always the two lines, the what do you call TRS, this is TRS, and if you see three lines, that's TRRS. So the TRRS goes to the phone headphone jack. I know most of the phones don't have a headphone jack nowadays, but you can use the adapter, the USB-C or Lightning, whatever you have. And this goes to the microphone. Always this goes to microphone, so make sure you connect proper way, okay? This one you can connect anywhere, but always the angle part, you can see the angle, cable angle connections. So angle connection goes to the microphone. Alright, so what else it has inside? And there's a clip. Two. That's a plastic, and you can put your muff. Dead cat, whatever you want to call it. Oh, okay, there's like, that's cool. There's a rubber inside. Usually there was an elastic on the other microphone, but this one has a rubber on it. So see, it's already there, but if you want to use the extra extension that they have sent over here, you can also use this one. So it's all up to you, whatever you want to do, okay? And so you have a this way. I don't have a battery right now with me, so I cannot really test. I don't have a double battery with me right now, so I cannot test how it's gonna look like. Okay, so this one, either you can connect like this, or you can connect like that. See, it's all up to you, however you want to do it. Let's connect that over there, and let's tighten this up so that it won't move. And luckily this is my old phone, so I have the headphone jack here, so definitely I can use a headphone jack, and this is for your cell phone. Okay, so connect that over here and connect this and over here. Perfect. Now we're gonna test this in the ball head. Okay. Alright. This is pretty cool. Alright, now let's connect the adapter. Tripod. Alright, so this is your full setup. Right? Put everything inside. Let me show you that here. See that? Okay, another thing I want to show you over here, there's like rotatable. You can spin this ring over here, right? And according to that, how you want to extend this. See, if you want to do it that way, or if you want to do it a little bit, just a little bit like this, right? And if you want to extend more, so that you can fit over here like that, so that it will extend more and sit like that. You know, right? And you can move your head over like that and fix how you do it. Alright, that's the full vlogging setup kit available for you. You can buy from Amazon. I'm going to include a link in the description below. See that now it will stand a little higher. Isn't that great? So this point is higher, this point is medium, and a little down, and this point will go all the way down. Okay. All right. Yeah. Basically, you'll use this light just to put your other stuff over here. Right. Looks great. Full setup. You can also vlog like this. Make sure you point your head over here and carry this as your selfie sticks. Right? Isn't that great? Alright guys, that's all for today's video. And how do you like this kit? Do you like this kit? Please comment me below. And there's a link if you want to buy it in the description. You can buy it for I think it was $50 when I bought this, but you can always check out the price right now. Alright guys, let me know if you want me to show you all the audio quality of this camera and the light. Then I'll make another video, but today that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'll come back with another video.